Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. This recipe shows you how to make miso ramen with vegan stock for 4. Check out my vegan ramen stock recipe at the end of this video. Here are the ingredients: 1.5 liters of vegan ramen stock. See the link on how to make this at the end of the video. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese or Japanese wine or sake, 6 tablespoons of miso, 1 sheet of nori cut into 4 squares, 180 grams of tinned or frozen sweet corn, 4 servings of fine ramen noodles, 4 spring onions chopped finely, 30 grams of butter or a non-dairy substitute cut into 4. Put the stock in a large saucepan, add the sesame oil, Chinese wine, and soy sauce and bring to the boil. Simmer for 5 minutes and add the miso. Stir with a whisk until the miso has dissolved. Now cook your noodles according to the instructions on the packet. When the noodles are ready, you can assemble the dishes. Put 2 tablespoons of sweet corn and 2 tablespoons of spring onions onto the noodles, and top with a knob of butter. Just before eating, ladle the broth over the noodles until they are covered and garnish with nori. Slurping your noodles is encouraged. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.